Alright. Little pop start action. Out of breath. It's a twofer, boys. We're riding up to Malibu Cars and Coffee. Got a group of guys together. Got some good little mix of bikes. A couple adventures. Got this Yamaha Cruiser. Got a Scrambler. Obviously another MT-09. I'm with Pascal. Let's ride. The only drawback sometimes to riding with a little bit bigger group, and we've got like 5 people here, so it's not that big, is that it's easier to get caught up in traffic, especially if you don't want to leave people behind. Oh shit, what is this? Ooh, biker boys, okay. Nice old Harley, I like it. Ooh, young lady on a Triumph. It's a good look. The whole vibe, very period correct, I suppose. Whoa, look at this guy in this Camaro. This guy serious? What the f***? Look at this f***ing guy. Driving like a real asshole. Ooh, what is this? That's cool. You don't see too many of those. Alright, definitely a couple cool cars. Well, more than a couple. We're riding up to the rock store, get some breakfast, see some bikes. Let's do it. Woo! Yeah! Damn, boys, this exhaust sounds good. Sounding real good. Damn cat. Alright, got some breakfast over at the rock store. This is just spot to spot to spot. Food on food on food on coffee. Forget it. Alright, I gotta hit the gym on Monday. That's for sure. Man, it is hot. Woo! Feels good to get that wind blowing over the body again. Holy smokes. I love it when cars just pull over. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And yet again, we don't know where we're going. I guess we figured it out. Yeah, let's go. Joe's doing it on the Scrambler right now. And we hit traffic. Okay. We're riding over to a spot called Clutch. Cool name. For the first Moto Social of the season. If you don't know what Moto Social is, you can just look up Moto Social on Instagram. They have meets all across the globe, different cities. Cool spot, cool people, or cool spots, cool people. Alright, here we are. Oh, that's cool. was the first moto social of the season. Cool bikes, great people, cool location. Look them up on Instagram. And if you're not subscribed, do it.